comment. Thank you. It's actually the easiest eyeshadow ever. I use this palette. Then I just go in with the shade Joan and I throw this all over my lid. It does not have to be perfect. I just kind of throw it on there messy. And I put a little extra in the crease and on my outer corner, pulling it up. Then taking a smaller brush, I use the same shade and I throw that on my lower lash line. Then I go into the shade Good Times and I put this on my inner corner, or inner corners, I should say, and on my brow bone. That's it. This is what it looks like without mascara. And then this is what it looks like with mascara. I feel like it's just the perfect eyeshadow for an everyday look. This palette, it's a must-have. I will link it. Can we talk about the way that you can get all of these lip liners for $3? This is why TikTok Shop can't go anywhere, because the deals are just insanely good. They're so creamy. Look at the way that just glides. This color is so good. Look at that. Just glides. I'm obsessed. Adding some of my favorite gloss on top. Gorgeous. I will link these. If you want a variety of lip liners, this is such a good deal. This mask for everyone for Christmas. She's well loved, okay? If you know, you know. Literally the best lip mask. It's a lip sleeping mask, but I just use it as chapstick. So good year round, but especially in winter when our lips are extra dry. I will link this. If you're looking for a good lip mask, it is worth a try. We just take a moment for this lip cheek tint. Hello? That is so good. This shade Bold, I feel like it is the perfect berry color for winter. Just adds the life back into my face. And I take some and throw it on my lips. Like, come on, that is stunning. Like, the lips and the cheeks just complement each other so well. I can't get over this. It is just gorgeous. I will link it. It's too good. The only faux freckle product I will use. Ever since I tried this, I've been obsessed. It is so blendable and they're water resistant, so I can wear these to the pool, the gym, the beach, wherever, and not worry about it. Look at how natural they look on your skin. I add these to every makeup look. Just perfect. We'll link these. They're viral for a reason. If you know, you know. The best cream bronzer ever. I know it's a bronzing stick. I contour my entire face with it. Glides onto your skin. Now for the magic. The way it melts into your skin like freaking butter. What? You barely have to do anything. It just melts. It looks so natural and so glowy. It's just stunning. Blends like a literal dream. I feel like this is debunked contouring because it's just that easy. Like, that is stunning. This, 1000% worth the hype. I will link it. TikTok Shop win. You know, simply the best hydrating lip gloss. This is the shade Relax, and I feel like it's just the perfect neutral shade for everyday wear. It gives you that glossy shine without being sticky. It is so hydrating. I reach for this more than I reach for chapstick. Plus, it's only $12. I will link this. It's a must-have. New Year's Eve, so we're going with the shade that never fails me. If you know, you know. Shade Pinked. The prettiest shade ever. If you don't know what this is, it's a lip liner stain, so you don't have to reapply your lip liner. Billie Eilish actually just posted a video using this, but the brand confirms she uses the shade Nude. I like the shade Nude too, but for New Year's, shade Pinked. I know this looks crazy. We're gonna let it dry. And when it's dry, because it peels, and I just use a Q-tip with water on it to blend it out and get rid of any of the excess. Transfer test. This isn't going anywhere all day. Throw a little bit of gloss on top for shine and hydration. Looks so good every time. This color, are you kidding me? I will link this. It's worth the hype. Okay, product I can't get over. This color corrector. Just watch the way instantly color corrects your under eyes. What? That is actually insane. I've been seeing this all over TikTok. 100% worth the hype. Look at that. What? And I like to take it too and just throw it on my lid to kind of color correct my eyelids too. That's crazy. And it looks like real skin. This, 10 out of 10. I will link it. Will I ever get over this? Probably not. First, a swatch. Literally stunning. Take a little bit of this and place it on my cheekbone like that. is gorgeous. It is so freaking pretty. This is just the secret to having glowy skin. Then I take it on a small brush and just do the bridge and tip of my nose, like my favorite part. And my inner corners, brow bone. This is the shade Bubbly, by the way. It comes in another deeper shade as well. Like, how gorgeous is that? Look at that glow right here. Gorgeous. I will link this. It's a must-have.